Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to withdraw USDT from Uphold in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for its 1-to-1 USD peg, making it ideal for quick transfers without wild price swings. With Uphold's user-friendly platform evolving, let's walk through the steps to get your USDT out safely and efficiently. This process should take just a few minutes, but always double-check for any updates in 2025. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Uphold account on their website or app. If you haven't already, download the latest version of the Uphold app for the smoothest experience. It's packed with new security features this year. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and locate your wallet section. Here, find your USDT balance. It should be listed under your crypto assets. Next, click on USDT to open its details. Look for the Withdraw or Send button. It's usually right there on the main page. Now, you'll need to enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Remember, this should be a compatible wallet like one on Binance or your personal hardware wallet. Double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Before confirming, Uphold might prompt you for two-factor authentication or additional verification, especially in 2025 with enhanced security protocols. Enter the required details, review the transaction amount, and note any withdrawal fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to maximize your funds. Once everything looks good, hit confirm, and your USDT will be on its way. After withdrawal, track the transaction status on the blockchain using tools like Etherscan if it's on Ethereum. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. And that's it, you're all set. Withdrawing USDT from Uphold is straightforward, but always prioritize security by using strong passwords and keeping your devices updated. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy out there.